In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively fact-check a statement using ChatGPT Atlas, ensuring you stay informed with the most accurate and up-to-date information. This process not only helps verify the authenticity of the data, but also enhances your understanding of current technological advancements. So, let's dive right in. First, begin by opening ChatGPT Atlas on your device. Whether you are using a computer or a mobile device, launching the application will be your first step. If you have the app installed, simply click on it to open. If you're accessing it via a web browser, you'll want to navigate to the official ChatGPT Atlas website. This versatile tool is your go-to source for a plethora of informational queries, thanks to its comprehensive database and intuitive functionality. Once you're in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type in exactly what you're curious about. In this case, we're exploring the latest news on technology. This search will guide you through the most recent advancements and changes occurring in the tech world, ensuring you're ahead of the curve in any casual or professional tech-related conversation. Now, with your query typed in and submitted, you'll be presented with a variety of articles. Take your time to browse through these options, and once you find a headline that piques your interest or delivers the precise information you're seeking, go ahead and click on it. This will open the full article for you, providing an in-depth look into the topic at hand. As you peruse the article, keep an eye out for any information that you feel compelled to verify. Once you identify a statement or a fact that you'd like to investigate further, take your cursor and highlight the specific text. This act of highlighting is essential as it directs the attention of the software to the exact piece of information you wish to fact-check. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a sidebar. This area provides various options to interact with the highlighted content. Enter a prompt in this sidebar that reads, "Fact-check this statement." This command will initiate a verification process through ChatGPT Atlas, which utilizes its extensive database to substantiate or clarify the given information. Once you've entered the prompt, the final step is to click Submit. At this point, ChatGPT Atlas will get to work, sifting through its resources to provide you with a trustworthy answer regarding the accuracy of the highlighted statement. In a few moments, you'll receive a concise yet informative breakdown to help you discern the credibility of the information. By following these steps, you ensure the information you rely on is both accurate and current, empowering you to engage confidently in the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Thanks for joining in today, and remember to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful tutorials like this one.